In this lesson, we are going to conduct a search for documents related to a government investigation. The database contains approximately 625,672 items, as you can see in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. In this case, the Security and Exchange Commission has issued an inquiry requesting internal communications and files related to trading of stocks, company revenue reporting, and items relating to bond issuance. The MUI requests documents from two individuals, Bridget Andrews and Steve Pritchett. The time frame for this request is February 1st, 2021 through March 5th, 2021. For this request, we will create a federated search. The first thing we need to do here is to select the search menu in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Federated. The Federated Search dialog box will pop up. Here, select the checkbox to the left of Date Range so that we can input the time frame for this request. In the first field, enter the date of 02/01/2021. In the second, input the date of 03/05/2021. Now, let's go down and select the checkbox to the right of Sender Owner Matches so that we can search for communications from Andrews and Pritchett. Before we do that, note that if you have questions about the parameters of a search, you can always select the question mark or the hint icon to see how to import your search criteria. Now that that's done, input the first sender owner, Andrews. On the next line, type in Pritchett. Now, before we enter in our key terms, which have wildcards, there's something we need to do. At the bottom of the search dialog box, let's hover over the hint for automatically escape reserved characters, which informs us that if we want to use wildcards, we need to turn that off. To that end, uncheck the box to the left of automatically escape reserved characters. Now let's go ahead and select the checkbox to the left of contains so that we can begin inputting our key terms. In the field to the right of contains, input the first key term, TRAD*. On the next line, type in revenue, then hit enter. Next, type in stock, STOCK*. On the next line, type in bond, BOND*. On the following line, type in EBITDA. Note, as each of the terms inputted under the contains field were entered on different lines, this search acts as an OR search, as does the entire search itself. When you're all set here, simply click Search in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Now we can see that our search results have narrowed greatly. At this point, let's go ahead and save this search so that we can review the items later on for relevancy and/or privilege or potential export for review purposes. To do that, select the Search tab in the upper left-hand corner. Then right-click on the Search tab. From the menu that appears, select Rename. Give the search a name, then click OK. To clear the search, go up to the Search menu in the upper right. Then select Clear Search. This concludes the lesson on federated search.